Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong napalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girly Kitty Patuti Iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga matutulog na. At alam ko naman po, super busy po kayo sa buong araw nyo. Kaya kung may time pa, hihingin ko lang muna ang inyong 12 minutes para sa ating second day ng ating bagong episode na to tungkol sa foods that are good sources of water. Okay, mga pagkain na marami or mayaman sa tubig. Okay? Or But before we start, hihingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. At sa mga present po ngayon sa ating premiere dito po sa live chat natin, maraming salamat po sa inyong paghintay at pag-support, lalo na po sa ating mga kaibigan dyan na gabi na. At talaga ay hinihintay talaga at regularly po ang ating premiere. Alright, maraming salamat ulit at let's go! Samahan nyo na po ako at si G. Si G natin ay super relaxed po siya, pero kanina kinuha ko kasi sa kanyang kwarto. Ngayon po ay very active na naman po siya. Alright, so what are the foods that are good sources of water? Na-discuss na po natin kahapon. Meron tayong 8 na-discuss na topic under that. So how much water is in your diet? Na-discuss na po natin yan. Diba? And then number 2 is, of course, we have the cucumbers. Okay, ang cucumber, sinabi na rin kahapon. At sa mga gusto po, if you want a review, we have yesterday's premiere to check. And of course, please also check the description below because I copy-pasted this lecture right now. Alright, so cucumbers, na-discuss natin, carrots, and of course, zucchini. And then, meron din tayong na-discuss na iceberg lettuce. And then, spinach, celery. And ang last natin na-discuss kahapon is cauliflower. Alright, so let's proceed po sa next, which is soup. Ngayon po mga masters, mga ka-G, soup. O, sino nila kakaalam ng soup? Sopas. O, diba? So, dati sa Tagalog. Okay? So, any variant, mga ulam na mas sabaw, soup, sopas, sabaw. No surprise here. The whole idea of soup is it's barely liquid. Okay? Marami ang tubig or liquid kesa sa laman. Okay? But it's a great way to get fiber and nutrients as well. But there's one for every taste. Make broth from fish or chicken or vegetables. And add almost anything to it. Kahit anong ilagay mo dyan, basta marami yung liquids sa soup. Okay? Or pwede naman gawing pong beans or greens or meats, even pasta. Homemade chicken soup is not only good for hydration, but it also might fight the common cold. Ayan po. Sa soup po, sino ba sa inyo dito yung binibigyan ng chicken soup pag meron silang trangkaso or cold? Kasi I have the reason why we give chicken soup is because chicken is a hot meat. Ang manok po is considered as a hot meat, which means pag kumain ka po ng chicken, ay yung meat mismo sa loob natin, it will create heat sa ating katawan and that will expel the cold or the cold energy na nag-invade po sa atin, especially po sa ating lung meridian. So we have meridians there in our body that is also invaded by hot or cold. That's why there's imbalance. And once there's an imbalance, then po pumapasok yung ating mga sakit. Okay, so as part of the Eastern or Oriental medicine practice, medyo na may mga understanding na po ako tungkol sa imbalances. If you're aware of the yin and yang, yung logo ng yin and yang, yung puti at itim na may tuldok sa loob, that's the yin and yang. So you always have to maintain balance in our system, not just in our body but the whole ecosystem. Okay, so soup, di ba? That's the number 9 na topic. And let's proceed po sa number 10. Of course, number 10 is tomatoes or tomato. Tomatoes, there are 95% water. 95% na tubig yun or water ang kamatis. and they can add flavor and sweetness to a sandwich or salad. They have a lots of antioxidants, include one called lycopene. So lycopene is an antioxidant that help fight cancer. Okay, they also can help lower bad cholesterol or the LDL. Okay, so that's the low density lipoprotein, and may boost your overall heart health. So yung ang tomato is very, very high also in liquids or water. Let's proceed to the next, which is the most well-known fruit na maraming water. Of course, nothing else but the watermelon, which is G's favorite fruit. Okay? Watermelon, this is a summer treat. Summer treat po ang watermelon. This is very good for a way to stay hydrated when it's hot. So usually, ang watermelon po ay lumalabas po at very common po siya pag summer. At ito po ang pinaka go-to fruit ng mga tao, watermelon. Okay? It's sweet but low in calories and can quench your thirst. Thanks to its 91% water content. 91% lang. Naku, akala ko yung watermelon is almost water na, pero mas mataas pa pala yung iba. Mas mataas pa pala yung cucumber at saka yung ibang yung tomato. 95% sila. Watermelon is only 91. No, di ba? Like tomatoes, it has a lot of lycopene. May lycopene din po ang watermelon, an antioxidant that protect your cells from sun damage and help your skin. Ayun po, sa mga ako, paborito namin ng anak ko at saka ni G. Aside sa kay G, yung anak ko mismo sa Iloilo, favorite niya po yung watermelon. And every day, as much as possible, kung meron namang watermelon na binibenta, kumakain din po ako ng watermelon, bumibili po ako ng watermelon. Halos every day, kumakain po ako ng watermelon aside from my apple. Kasi parang favorite ko talaga yan. Okay? And G also. So dito po, may watermelon din po yan dito sa kanyang mixture. Ang pula, watermelon po yan. And then we have cantaloupe. And then food ni G natin. May green din dyan, no? Winter. Okay? So, ito yung food ni G ngayon natin para sa kanyang mixture ng kanyang food. Okay? So, next po is number 12 is strawberries. Yung strawberries, sa favorite po yun ni G natin. Strawberries are 91% water. 91%. And also have lots of antioxidants, especially flavonoids. Okay, flavonoids is an antioxidant, a chemical that help your brain stay sharper and healthy. Okay, ang flavonoids ay maganda po sa brain. Okay, eat them for dessert or with a bit of whipped cream. Na hindi ako nagre-recommend yan. Pero sabi dito with whipped cream. So kung pwede lang naman yan, diretsuin mo na lang, strawberry, mix mo sa ibang mga fruits, or put them in a summer salad. Okay? Kasi pag linagyan mo ng whipped cream, ibang istorya na po yan. Hindi naman healthy whipped cream eh. Okay, usually, pag maasim po yung strawberry, ginagawa ko po dyan, ay dinalagyan ko po ng raw organic honey instead ng mga whipped cream na yan. Next po is number 13 is yogurt. Sino ba dito yung mapaborito yung yogurt? Yogurt is 85% water and a great source of protein and electrolytes that make your heart and your other organs work the way they should. Tumutulong po itong electrolytes. Tulad yung in-discuss natin last time, no? Okay? So, proteins and electrolytes. Okay. It also help us it also has bacteria na tinatawag na probiotics, and they are good for digestion and help you keep you regular magpupo. Okay, with the help of the probiotics, there's a bacteria na dyan, living bacteria na maganda po sa ating tiyan. Okay, so mas maganda ito, nakakatulong po itong yogurt para po tayo ay magpoops regularly. Have some of a few strawberries to get even more water in your afternoon snack. So, hindi ako nag-recommend ng snacks. Pero, yung berries po, pwede mo lagyan po ng berries yung yogurt mo. Okay, kiss mo na, daddy. Kiss mo na. Kiss daddy first. Okay? I love the baby. Diba? I love ni dadding baby girl niya. Alright, let's proceed to number 14, mga masters and mga ka-G. Okay? Oatmeal. Ito pala yung aking nakalimutan ko. Dito ka pala nilagay kanina, nakalimutan kong ilagay sa fridge. Ito po yung konsumo namin ni G. O, diba? So, this is a melon medley. O, diba? O, tatlong klase yan. Nakalimutan kong ilagay sa rep, pero malamig naman dito ngayon eh. Okay, oatmeal is made of water or low fat or skim milk. Okay, hindi ayaw kung ganyan. Sabi dito, may skim milk. It can help you hydrate. It can help you keep you hydrated and give your heart a boost. It can lower your cholesterol levels and may even help with ward off type 2 diabetes and breast cancer. It's a healthy way to start the day as long as you watch the added sugar. So I still oats po yung aking recommend. As hindi lang po yung mga instant mga oatmeal sa mga steel oats, yung 2 hours, 2 minutes, 20 minutes mo talaga lulutuin, pakuluan bago mo siyang makain. Huwag kayong bumili ng instant kasi hindi na yan healthy. Okay? And the last but not the least is the grapefruit. The sour bite can sure wake you up in the morning. Plus 90% water. It will keep your body hydrated. It's also full of fiber and nutrients, especially vitamin C, which helps your immune system and can protect yourself against damage. Okay, but it can also cause problems if you take certain medications. So check your doctor if you take that prescription drugs. If you want to eat grapefruit. Alright mga masters, mga kaji, hanggang dito na po tayo. Okay, 15 na po yung ating 15 na po nakasulat dito. And you can review by checking the description below. And of course, I would like to invite you later, 11 o'clock noon in our morning in the Philippine time. Meron tayong Bahay Kulitan Premier Marathon at meron tayong 4 na host, ako, and then followed by RMTV21 and BAMS 2.0 and Merle and Sunny Vlogs. So kita-kits tayo sa Premier Marathon ng Bahay Kulitan. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday po. At I love you all. Maraming salamat. This is G, the green, girly, cutie, patuti, iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!